What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by following your passion, or how to make money by doing what you love. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. All right, so you hate your job and you want to follow your passion, okay? Can you make money doing that? Absolutely. Is it easy? It can be. Is there gonna be like bumps in the road? Absolutely. But if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm gonna explain to you step by step on how to get it done and how to be successful at it. So, all right, there's two things that you gotta know right away and that you gotta get in your head right away. The first thing that you gotta learn is the Holy Trinity of marketing. And what is that? What are those? Oh my God. Okay, number one, having an audience or having a list. Okay? Number two, having an offer to make to that audience or that list. And number three, having a pitch. You got to pitch them, whether it's your copy, talking to them, or in live, speaking live. All right? So, let me show you how easy you can make 6 figures by following your passion. Okay, so let's break it down. So when you see all these accounts out there that have like 5,000 followers, 10,000, 20, 100,000 followers, let me break down the math for you. Okay, there's a concept out there and it's called having 1,000 true fans or hardcore followers. So let's break it down. 1,000 hardcore fans. Oops. Right? Or true followers, okay? And those are the people that are gonna watch your every video. They're gonna like your every post. They're gonna comment on every post. And they're pretty much gonna buy whatever you put out there because they love what you do. They love your content, they love your products, anything you do. Like for example, I'm a huge Metallica fan. So the chances of them putting them out, I'm probably gonna buy it. And I do buy it. As you guys can see behind me, there's more over there. But anyway, so if you have 1,000 hardcore fans, right? All you need is for each one of those fans is to spend $100, $100, not a day, not a week, but a year. If those 1,000 hardcore fans spend $100 a year with you, guess what? You just made $100,000 in 1 year. That is more than 70% of the jobs out there. Let me tell you something. For you to go get a job that's going to let you make $100,000 a year, you're going to need a degree, you're going to need experience, you're going to need all that stuff unless you're a badass at sales. All right? So let that sink in. You guys see how easy that is? $100. That's like literally $10 a month. No, that's not even $10 a month because $10 a month is 120. So that's $120,000 a year. See how easy that is? I mean, now you know all those girls make all this money on OnlyFans, right? Put that into perspective. But let's say you have talent and you want to showcase that talent. So I'm going to give you some examples of how you can do that. All right. So I'm going to walk through some scenarios of professions that people usually love and how to make money at it. Okay. So let's break it down. So number one, I'm going to use this. If you're a personal trainer or you're into fitness, what are you going to do? What are your platforms? All the platforms that are out there. You got Facebook, you got Instagram, you got TikTok, and even a YouTube channel if you want to learn YouTube. So what do? You're going to literally create at least 1 post a day showcasing what you know, whether it's showcasing an exercise, showcasing a workout, or whatever. Just give out, but don't sell them, okay? Follow the Gary Vee strategy. He's the one who made this popular. Jab, 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 right hook. What does that mean? Content, 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 and then you ask for a sale, you pitch, right? So, which is also the call to action. So how do you do that? Well, if you're a personal trainer, you can build a funnel with ClickFunnels. Click link in the description below for the free trial, right? And you build that lead magnet and you start building your list, right? Once you start building that list, you can email them with your pitch and you can pitch them with your offer, right? And you make money, right? the more you learn, you can get, so you start making money, you can start running ads. So you can run your lead magnet, add a couple upsells to it, whether it's like, hey, my personal workout program, and then the second upsell is a mastermind, right? For, I don't know, $500 a year, right? That's how you make money with that. But let's say you're not a personal trainer and you actually have a different type of, let's say you like to write, okay? If you like to write, start a blog. Go to a site like medium.com and you can start writing and they'll pay you for your articles. The more people that read your articles, the more money you make. Do you know that on Medium, you can literally make like $3,000 per post? Yeah, exactly. $3,000 per post. If you're like me, you don't like to write, you like to talk, or you like to be in front of the camera, well, there you go. You have YouTube and you have podcasts. You like to do both. If you want to do, maximize your profit with both, do what I do with PixlFeed Radio. I record an interview on YouTube, the audio gets ripped, and then I have my audio guy turn it into a podcast. Well, you can't afford somebody to do it for you? Guess what? Learn how to do it yourself. You have all the tools available. All you need is Audacity, which is free. You can literally download a program called Audacity and you can edit your own podcast. Did you know that a podcast can make you like literally thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in sponsorships? YouTube revenue can be outstanding once your red channel gets monetized. You can make a lot of money. So think about this, right? And all you have to do is just talk about your passion and show what you love, right? So those are it. Those are the two right there. So the next question is, okay, so if you have a product, sorry, I was going to jump in, but if you have a product, let's say you're an artist and you like to paint, okay? So let's say you make your paintings. So what do? You create your paintings, right? And then what are you going to do? You're going to post those paintings on Instagram. Actually, the way you're going to do it is you record yourself making those paintings. You can put it on YouTube. You can put it on TikTok. You can put it on Facebook, and you can post pictures of the whole process on Instagram. But you're like, oh, Christian, how do I rank? It's so hard. I don't have the money to run ads. You got to do research. So what do? You're going to grab your phone. You're going to go in each single platform. And what you're going to do in the little search bar on each one of them, you can literally search by hashtags. So the first thing you got to do is you got to start looking at posts related to your profession. So let's say you're a painter, and then I don't know anything about painting. Surrealism. Let's say your thing is surrealism. You search literally hashtag surrealism. Is that even a type of painting? I think it is. It sounds right. Okay, surrealism. And then you're gonna see all the posts related to surrealism in each platform, because Facebook does hashtags now. So you have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Then what you're gonna do is, the first thing you're gonna look at is the description. What are the keywords used in each description of the post? Okay, because that helps them rank as well. Second thing you're gonna take notes is, so let me write it here so you know. Description. And the second thing you're gonna look at is the hashtags used. Okay? What are the hashtags that they're using, right? So you write down all those hashtags and then you start searching on all platforms using those hashtags. The next thing you're gonna do is take note of the top post and videos. And what you're gonna do is like, okay, what are they doing? How are they showcasing the painting? What is the painting about? Okay, what are they talking about? Right? There's a reason why they're ranking. So what you do is you can grab ideas from it, right? So put your own spin on it or do something based on that. If you're on TikTok, do a duet based on it. So see what I'm saying? This is how you start creating organic content. And guess what? The more content that you put out there, the easier you're gonna be discovered. Is it gonna happen overnight? No. So the main thing here is gonna be consistency. Consistency. If you look at my YouTube channel, there's 3 videos a week. I post 3 videos a week every week. I don't miss a beat, okay? And that's why my channel keeps growing and growing and growing and growing every week, because I'm feeding the algorithm. The more you feed these algorithms, the more you're going to rank. So let's say how do you sell your talent when it comes to painting? Well, you can create the design for a t-shirt. You can sell a piece of canvas. The platforms out there, you got Shopify, you got Gearbubble, you got Teespring. I mean, there's tons of platforms out there that will make it for you on demand. You don't even have to paint it. You don't even have to do it bulk, right? And what you do is, since, like I mentioned, you have a list or an audience built in, you keep posting Or you email them in the back end, right? Because you should be building the list. The money's on the list, right? And when you make an offer, when you pitch them, they're gonna buy something from you if they want to support you. That's how you do it, okay? The other thing that you should be doing, and I don't do this just to do this, and yes, they are affiliate links, but the links in the description for these 3 books, .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets, you read those. They're gonna take whatever your craft is, of whatever your experience is, to selling online to a whole new level. I'm telling you, this is what's gonna take you from how to craft a free offer or a low value offer, and as you grow your list or your audience, you can make different offers that get closer to you, right? Maybe you start with one painting, if you're a painter, again, back to the painter thing. Okay, you can offer 10 free tips on how to paint like I do. And they opted into the lead magnet, right? A lead magnet is a funnel designed to grab their information. They go into your email list. So now you have their information. The second offer that you can make, hey, I'm gonna be teaching how to paint like I do virtually online. Tuesday at 8 p.m., sign up, $95, right? Now you just made an offer for $95, right? So you guys catch my drift? Then that's like in a group setting. Okay, what's the upsell after that? I'm gonna teach you how to paint like I do 101. So it's just the 2 of us, and you can ask me whatever questions you are, and I will walk you step by step on how I do it so your paintings look as great as mine do. And see how I'm moving my audience up the ladder, right? That's how it works, guys. But again, the name of the game is consistency, and this works with any passion. You just got to put it out there and let people pick it up. With all the technology that we have, there's no excuses. You have a phone, the cameras on the phones are like 4K nowadays. All you have to do is just record, post it, record, post it. And guess what? If you build a following, people will pay you to do product placements. So if there's a product that you like and you want to endorse, hey, pay me. I'll put it in my video. I'll talk about it. I'll review it. There you go. There's no excuse, guys. There is no excuse. If you have a job that you hate, just start doing it little by little. It takes time, but I promise you that you just keep it consistent, and it's going to go like this. Your follower count is going to go up, 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 up. And at one point, out of nowhere, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, because they all kind of work alike, or YouTube, the algorithm is just going to go up, 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 and it's going to skyrocket as long as you're consistent by it. All right? So follow your dreams, monetize them, because this is the same exact advice I will give my son one day. And trust me, you will have the life that you want. All right? Guys, if you want to keep learning and take your hobby or passion to the next level with ads, make sure you keep watching the videos on the channel right above me, and I will see you guys in the next video.